Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex Vlogs here, and today, yeah, I took Asher's bike because we got in a huge fight today. Like even me and Brennan. Sorry if you guys can't see me. I don't want to drop my phone. But here, I'll see you guys in a minute.
Okay, let's ride.
Okay, guys, we're back.
Let's ride.
We don't know where to put it.
Okay, let's ride on the golf course.
Okay, here, we're gonna go on the golf course.
Ouch, my feet hurt.
So, shit, this hurt. This is hard with one hand. Ah, shit, no.
I go faster than you when I walk.
Should I just walk? Alright, guys, so. Holy fuck! See that? Holy crap.
What the hell?
Sorry if this
Off-roading.
This video is gonna be a little bit.
We already uploaded today's video, bro.
Yeah, we already did a video today, but we just felt like doing this one because so we're just going down this path, like this random just path on the road, and then we just see Asher's bike at the end. We're just like,
Jackpot!
And then I'm like, let's hide it.
That's better than $100.
Because like he will get so pissed if I hide it. I hope he doesn't. Asher, I'm sorry if you watch this video.
Sorry, bro. It just has to happen.
Pranksters, natural born pranksters.
You hit us? No.
Alright guys, back. Should we hide it on top of the tractor? I gotta vlog with my left hand, it's easier. Oh shit, I just dropped it. Sorry about that.
Back here.
Go, 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 go. Hey, yeah. Oh, you're gonna leave yours? Yeah. But we're gonna have to come back and get it. That's what sucks. So guys, so we're hiding it in here. This tractor behind us.
Done.
Wait, we're gonna have to remember this. I'm gonna have to watch back this vlog and see.
Right next to the tractor. Next to the tractor's like right there in place.
Let's go. I got an idea. We ride by the house and yell, "Hi Asher, thanks for the new bike." Let's do that. Instead of hiding it in here.
No.
Here, shit, Brennan, can you get it out? I only have one hand.
No, dude, it's fine. Keep it there.
Okay, can you hold it there? No, keep it!
No.
Jump in.
You'll get mad.
Dude, that's good!
You'll get mad. My dad will kill me. He already did it. Ow, my eye. Ow, my eyeball.
Here,
let's see my phone.
Okay, let's go.
Mommy,
Let's go down the smoother one. Hey, come on! Bro, this is hard to go one-handed. I mean, I can do it. I can do it. It's just so
my
awkward.
feet hurt. That's why I'm not.
It's just so awkward with a phone in my hand. I'm just gonna walk. No, do you know what we can do? What do you want to do with it?
Walk. Move. Walk. Go.
Go. Yeah, pretty nice out today. I mean, if I do say so myself. That's actually really pretty right over there. That's pretty AF. Alright guys, we're just getting on the road, right? Sorry about that. I accidentally turned my phone off. Brandon, wait up! Oh my gosh, so here we go. See there? No, here. Let's follow the path. This way. What? Right in. Come on. Alright guys, so that would be it for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed. See you tomorrow. Peace.
Peace.